Lumos Matrix helmet unboxing. The Lumos Matrix helmet combines safety and style, designed for urban commuters, people on bikes. First impression, medyo mabigat lang at 580 grams, pero not bad naman. Carry lang. So kung priority mo yung safety mo, you would consider getting this helmet. Dahil sa ilaw. Laki, diba? Laki. Ang laki niya. Ayan o. Fireworks. Happy New Year. Ayan, what's inside the box? Ayan, for you, merong getting started, going further, warranty, fit guide. And then for your helmet, merong remote. Yan yung left and right signal. And then yung pads, extra pads. Actually, red yung nakakabit ngayon. So meron extra pads. And you have your charger. So same yung charger sa helmet at para sa remote. And then you have your remote handlebar mount. Kailangan mo i-pair yung remote sa helmet or else hindi gagana. Just read the instructions to get started. You also need to pair with the Lumos app. Patience lang sa pag-pair, medyo tricky. You just have to hold the only button for a few seconds till lumabas yung snake. So yan, tatakbo naman siya. Ayan, na-pair na with the app. Tatakbo naman siya without pairing it. Pero you can customize using the app. So meron Ukraine, meron rainbow. Sige na, push natin to. Rainbow. Wait for it. Yan, lakas, no? And then, ano next? Anong next na pipiliin? Fireworks ata din to. Colorful na fireworks. And mayroong option, pwede kang palabas ng running text. So, pwede mo i-customize kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Like, bawal kamote or anything that you could think of na feeling mo mababasa. Kasi medyo, I don't know, mababasa mo to. Ano yung next? Share the road. Yan, pwede yan. Share the road. And meron ding Squid Game. Medyo basic lang. Shapes lang pala. Pero bagay kung may soundtrack, diba? Anyway, yun lang. Please give it a like or follow for more.